Number 1. Olive oil. 8:8. God described the promised land as a land of olive oil. That was not random. Olive oil is one of the most powerful gut healers on earth. Here is why. Your gut has a lining, like a protective wall inside you. When that wall gets damaged, you feel bloating, pain, and bad digestion. Olive oil repairs that wall. It reduces inflammation inside your gut. It helps your food move smoothly through your digestive system. Ancient people used olive oil every single day, in their food, on their bread, in their cooking, and their digestion was strong. Simple action: add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to your meal daily. That is it. One simple step, direct from God's design. Food number 2. Goat's milk. Verbs 27:27. The Bible says goat's milk is enough to feed you and your family. But there is something deeper here. Goat's milk is not like regular cow's milk. It is easier for your body to digest. The fat molecules in goat's milk are smaller. Your gut breaks them down faster, with less effort, less bloating. Many people who cannot digest cow's milk have no problem with goat's milk. It also contains natural compounds that feed good bacteria in your gut. Good bacteria means better digestion, less gas, less bloating. Thousands of years ago, goat's milk was a daily food in biblical times. Today, you can find it in most health stores. Try replacing regular milk with goat's milk for just 2 weeks. Many people feel a massive difference in their digestion. Food number 3. Almonds. Genesis 43:11. When Jacob sent gifts to Egypt, almonds were included. Almonds were considered precious, valuable, special, and for good reason. Almonds are packed with fiber. Fiber is like a broom for your gut. It sweeps through your digestive system, cleans it, moves things along. Without enough fiber, food gets stuck. You feel heavy, bloated, constipated. Almonds also feed the good bacteria in your gut. Those good bacteria protect you. They fight inflammation. They keep your digestion smooth. Just a small handful of almonds every day makes a real difference. But here is a tip. Soak your almonds in water overnight before eating them. This makes them even easier to digest. Simple, biblical, powerful. Food number 4. Garlic. On 11:5. The Israelites were in the desert, and they missed garlic. They actually complained about leaving garlic behind in Egypt. That tells you something important. Garlic was not just food, it was medicine. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. Allicin is a natural antibiotic. It kills bad bacteria in your gut. And here's the key. Bad bacteria in your gut causes bloating, gas, and digestive pain. When you eat garlic, you are cleaning your gut naturally. Garlic also helps your digestive muscles move food through your system faster. Less food sitting in your gut means less gas and less bloating. Raw garlic is the most powerful. Try adding 1 small clove of raw garlic to your food daily. God designed this tiny food with enormous healing power. Food number 5. Onion. 11:5. Right next to garlic in the Bible, onion, the Israelites missed onions too. Onions contain something called prebiotics. Now, what is a prebiotic? Think of your gut like a garden. Good bacteria are the plants. Prebiotics are the fertilizer. Onions feed your good gut bacteria directly. More good bacteria means better digestion, less bloating, stronger gut health. Onions also reduce inflammation inside your digestive system. Inflammation is one of the biggest causes of bloating and gut pain. Eat onions regularly. Cook them. Add them to your meals. Your gut bacteria will thank you. Before we continue, if this is already surprising you, hit the like button right now and subscribe if you are new. We still have 10 more powerful biblical foods to cover, including one ancient herb at the end that almost nobody talks about. Keep watching. Food number 6. Figs. Number 13:23. When the spies came back from the promised land, they brought figs. Figs were a sign of blessing, of abundance. But figs are also one of the best natural gut healers ever discovered. Figs contain a special enzyme called ficin. Ficin helps your body break down food faster. Faster breakdown means less food sitting in your gut. Less food sitting means less bloating and less gas. Figs are also high in fiber, both types. One type cleans your gut. The other type feeds your good bacteria. Fresh figs or dried figs both work. Just 2 or 3 figs a day can make your digestion noticeably smoother. This is not modern nutrition advice. This is ancient wisdom, confirmed by modern science. Food number 7, honey. Verb 20:14. The Bible calls honey good. It says, eat honey because it is good. Simple, direct, powerful, raw honey is one of the most studied natural healers in the world. It contains natural enzymes that help your gut digest food. It also contains hydrogen peroxide, a natural antibacterial compound. This means honey kills harmful bacteria in your gut, gently and naturally. Honey also coats the lining of your stomach and intestines. This reduces irritation, reduces inflammation, reduces that burning feeling after meals. But here is the important part. It must be raw honey. Processed honey from the supermarket has lost most of its healing power. Look for raw, unfiltered honey. 1 teaspoon in warm water every morning is one of the simplest gut healing habits you can build. Food number 8, pomegranate. Number 13:23. Pomegranates were brought back from the Promised Land alongside figs and grapes. They were symbols of the richness God had prepared, and inside that richness, incredible gut healing power. Pomegranates contain powerful compounds called polyphenols. Polyphenols feed your good gut bacteria directly. Studies show that pomegranate increases the growth of beneficial bacteria. At the same time, it reduces harmful bacteria. This balance is everything for digestion. Pomegranate also reduces gut inflammation significantly. Inflammation is the hidden cause behind most chronic digestive problems. Drink fresh pomegranate juice, or eat the seeds directly. Either way, your gut gets a powerful natural reset. Food number 9, lentils. Genesis 25:34. Esau sold his birthright for a bowl of lentil stew. That story is famous, but what most people miss is why lentils were so valued. Lentils are an incredibly powerful digestive food. They are packed with soluble fiber. Soluble fiber turns into a gel inside your gut. That gel slows digestion in a good way. It gives your body time to absorb nutrients properly. It feeds good bacteria. It regulates bowel movements. It reduces bloating. Lentils also contain resistant starch. Resistant starch bypasses your stomach and goes directly to feed your gut bacteria. This is one of the most powerful gut-feeding actions any food can do. A simple bowl of lentil soup several times a week is biblical medicine for your gut. Food number 10, barley. Barley is listed directly in Deuteronomy 8:8. The 7 foods of the Promised Land. God specifically mentioned barley as a food of blessing. Barley contains the highest amount of a fiber called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is scientifically proven to heal the gut lining. It reduces inflammation in the digestive tract. It slows the movement of food through your gut, giving your body more time to absorb nutrients. It also lowers the glycemic response, meaning less blood sugar spikes after meals. Blood sugar spikes cause gut stress. Barley prevents that. Ancient Israelites ate barley bread regularly. Today you can add barley to soups, stews, or cook it as a side dish. Simple food, massive gut benefit. Food number 11, whole wheat. 4:9. God gave Ezekiel a very specific recipe. Wheat, barley, beans, lentils, millet, spelt, all combined into one bread. This bread, now known as Ezekiel bread, is one of the most nutritionally complete foods ever described. Whole wheat, unlike refined white flour, keeps all its fiber intact. That fiber feeds your gut bacteria directly. It adds bulk to your digestion, prevents constipation, reduces bloating. Refined white bread strips all of this away. And modern people eating white bread every day wonder why their gut is suffering. Switch to whole wheat or Ezekiel-style bread. This one change alone can transform your digestion within weeks. Food number 12, grapes. 18:23. The spies carried a single cluster of grapes so large it took 2 men to carry it. Grapes were a symbol of God's abundance, and grapes carry a powerful gut-healing compound, resveratrol. Resveratrol reduces inflammation in the gut lining. It protects the intestinal wall from damage. Grapes also contain natural compounds that increase good gut bacteria diversity. More diversity in your gut bacteria means stronger overall digestion. Eat fresh grapes regularly or drink fresh grape juice without added sugar. This ancient fruit carries healing that science is still discovering today. Food number 13, leeks. 11.5. Again, the Israelites in the desert remembered the leeks of Egypt 3 times in Numbers 11. Garlic, onion, and leeks are mentioned together. This was not coincidence. These 3 foods form a powerful prebiotic trio. Leeks contain a specific fiber called inulin. Inulin feeds your gut bacteria more directly than almost any other food. It increases beneficial bacteria called bifidobacteria and lactobacillus. These bacteria are the foundation of a healthy gut. They reduce bloating. They improve bowel regularity. They protect your gut lining. Leeks are easy to add to soups and cooked dishes. This forgotten biblical vegetable deserves a place back on your plate. Food number 14, cumin. Isaiah 28:25. Isaiah describes the careful harvesting of cumin as wisdom. Even in ancient times, cumin was treated with great care and respect because cumin is a powerful digestive spice. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. More digestive enzymes means your body breaks down food faster and more completely. Less undigested food means less gas, less bloating, less discomfort. Cumin also relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract. This is why it works so well for bloating relief. It physically relaxes the tension in your gut. Studies show cumin is as effective as some medications for irritable bowel symptoms, but it is natural, ancient, designed by God. Add cumin to your cooking daily. Just half a teaspoon makes a real difference. Food number 15, coriander. Exodus 19:31. And here it is. Number 15, the one most people never think about as a gut healer. When God gave manna to the Israelites in the desert, the Bible compared it to coriander seed. God used coriander as a reference for something pure and from heaven. Coriander, also known as cilantro, is one of the most powerful anti-bloating herbs in ancient medicine. It relaxes the muscles along your digestive tract. This directly relieves gas and bloating. Coriander also has strong antibacterial properties. It fights harmful gut bacteria. It reduces gut inflammation. It soothes digestive spasms. Ancient Egyptians used coriander as medicine. Ancient Israelites knew it well, and modern science confirms coriander extract significantly improves digestion and reduces bloating. Add fresh coriander to your meals. Drink coriander seed tea. This simple herb, mentioned in Exodus, is one of God's most complete digestive gifts. Think about this for a moment. Every single food we covered today was available thousands of years ago. Olive oil, honey, garlic, figs, lentils, barley. These were not luxury foods. These were everyday foods. Simple foods. Foods God placed in the lives of His people, and the people who ate them had strong digestion, strong bodies, strong lives. We moved away from these foods. We replaced them with processed food, refined flour, artificial ingredients, and now millions of people suffer from bloating, gut pain, and digestive problems every single day. The solution was never hidden. It was always there, written in the oldest book in the world. Start with just 2 or 3 of these foods this week. Add them to your daily meals. Give your gut what God designed it to receive, and watch what changes. If this video helped you, please hit the like button right now. It helps more people find this information. Subscribe to this channel, because we cover more biblical health wisdom every week. And comment below. Tell us which food surprised you the most. We read every comment. God bless you, and we will see you in the next one.